Picture yourself in a sun-soaked Georgia field, where the air is warm and the land stretches out in every direction. The soil here is sandy and rich, perfect for growing one of America's most beloved crops. All around you, rows of green peanut plants stretch to the horizon, their leaves rustling gently in the breeze. These fields are a patchwork of life, each row carefully planted and tended by hand and machine alike. Beneath the surface, millions of peanuts are quietly growing, hidden treasures waiting to be unearthed. It's a secret world, where the real magic happens out of sight, as the peanuts develop in their protective shells. This is where America's peanut butter journey begins, long before it ever reaches your kitchen table. Every jar starts with a sunrise over these fields. Enter the peanut digger, a roaring, powerful machine that rumbles through the fields, flipping the plants and exposing the peanuts to the sun for the very first time. It's a moment of transformation, as months of patient growth are revealed in a single pass. The field transforms instantly, green giving way to a patchwork of upturned plants and golden pods. The landscape changes in hours, a living mosaic of harvest. The air is thick with the scent of fresh earth and hard work. Every breath carries the story of the season, the sweat, the sun, and the satisfaction of a job well done. Farmers here are more than planters, they're scientists, mechanics, and business owners, racing against time and weather. They monitor soil health, track forecasts, and keep their equipment running, blending tradition with technology. Every harvest is a gamble. A single breakdown or storm can cost dearly. The threat of rain or a broken machine can turn months of work into a season of loss. This isn't just a job, it's a legacy, passed down through generations. Families work side by side, sharing knowledge and pride in every harvest. From these fields, a massive industry is born. Peanuts are loaded onto trucks, shipped to processing plants, and begin their journey to become something more. The peanuts will be dried, carefully monitored to ensure the perfect moisture content, a crucial step for quality and safety. Then they're sorted, shelled, and roasted to bring out their rich, nutty flavor. Each step is a blend of science and art, perfected over decades. Finally, the peanuts are ground into the creamy or crunchy peanut butter we love, ready to be spread on bread or enjoyed by the spoonful. It's a story of grit, ingenuity, and impressive engineering, where old-fashioned know-how meets modern technology to feed millions. So next time you open a jar, remember the field, the farmer, and the journey. Each spoonful connects you to a story that began in the dirt. That sandwich on your plate, it started right here, in the dirt, nurtured by sun, sweat, and generations of care. The story of peanut butter is bigger than you think. A journey from humble fields to kitchen tables across the nation. It's a taste of American tradition, a symbol of comfort and community, enjoyed by families everywhere. And it all begins underground, in the quiet darkness, where the story of every peanut and every jar takes root. Here's a surprise: a peanut isn't a nut. Despite its name, the peanut is actually something quite different, and its story is full of unexpected twists. It's a legume, a cousin to beans and peas. This means peanuts are more closely related to lentils and chickpeas than to almonds or walnuts. Their family tree is rooted in the world of legumes, plants known for their ability to enrich the soil and provide protein-packed seeds. Unlike tree nuts, peanuts start as yellow flowers above ground. These delicate blooms are the first sign of the peanut's secret life, and they play a crucial role in the plant's unique growing process. After pollination, the flower's stalk bends down, pushing the peanut pod into the soil. This movement is called pegging, and it's one of nature's most fascinating tricks. The plant literally buries its own seeds, hiding them away from the world above. It's a plant burying its own treasure, a clever survival trick. By growing its pods underground, the peanut protects its seeds from hungry animals and harsh weather, giving them a better chance to grow. Farmers plant peanuts in warm, sandy soil each spring, mostly in Georgia, Alabama, Florida, and Texas. These states have the perfect climate and soil for peanuts to thrive, making the southern United States the heart of peanut country. The tradition of peanut farming in these regions goes back generations, with families passing down their knowledge and love for this humble crop. For months, the plants soak up sun, growing pods underground, each holding 1 to 4 peanuts. The plants stretch their leaves toward the sky while their real work happens out of sight beneath the earth. Growing underground protects the seeds from animals and weather. The soil acts as a natural shield, keeping the peanuts safe until harvest time arrives. Harvesting peanuts isn't like picking apples, you have to dig for them. Farmers use special machines to gently lift the plants from the ground, shaking off the soil to reveal the hidden pods. This unique process makes peanuts special and their harvest a true challenge. It takes skill, timing, and a bit of luck to bring these underground treasures to the surface. As legumes, peanuts are packed with protein and nutrients just like beans. They're a powerhouse of energy, offering healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals in every bite. That's why peanut butter is such an energy powerhouse. It's a favorite snack for athletes, kids, and anyone needing a quick boost, all thanks to the peanut's hidden strength. From classic peanut butter sandwiches to spicy peanut sauces and crunchy snacks, peanuts find their way into countless recipes around the world. Next time someone calls you a nut, you can say you're a legume, full of surprises. The peanut story is proof that there's more to every bite than meets the eye. The peanut's journey starts with a flower that buries itself and ends as a staple on your table. From the field to your lunchbox, it's a journey of transformation and resilience. It's a story of hidden potential. Every peanut is a reminder that sometimes, the most valuable things are found where you least expect them. And it all happens underground in the secret world where peanuts grow, waiting to be discovered. Harvest time in Georgia is a race against the first frost. The digger inverter slices through soil, flipping plants and exposing peanuts to dry in the sun. Rows of upturned plants signal the harvest is on. But the peanuts aren't safe. Rain can ruin everything, so farmers watch the skies. After a few days of sun drying, the peanut combine arrives. This machine lifts the plants, separates peanuts from vines, and collects them in a hopper. The leftover vines return to the field, enriching the soil. It's a noisy, dusty job, but machines make it fast. What once took weeks now takes days. The raw peanuts, still dirty and moist, are loaded into trucks. They're not ready to eat yet, but the hardest part is done. Modern engineering lets a handful of farmers feed a nation. It's tough, gritty work, but it's the backbone of the peanut butter you love. From field to truck, the journey is just beginning. Freshly harvested peanuts head straight to the shelling plant. First, they're dried in giant wagons with warm air until their moisture drops to safe levels. Next, conveyor belts and machines shake out rocks, dirt, and debris. Airflow and screens separate peanuts from stones and clumps. Then comes high-tech sorting. Lasers and cameras scan each peanut, blasting out any with imperfections. Only the best make it through. The cleaned, in-shell peanuts move to shelling machines, which crack the shells without damaging the kernels. Fans blow away the shells, leaving a stream of raw, shelled peanuts. These are bagged and shipped to factories, ready to become peanut butter, candy, or snacks. Every step is about quality and efficiency. From field to factory, the peanuts transformation is underway. The real magic is just ahead. At the factory, the journey of peanut butter begins with a crucial step: roasting. Peanuts are tumbled in massive ovens at high heat, a process that unlocks their signature flavor and gives them that rich golden color we all recognize. This roasting not only enhances taste but also brings out the natural oils, making the peanuts perfect for the next stages of production. As the peanuts roast, the air fills with a warm, nutty aroma. Pure peanut heaven. Workers often pause to appreciate this delicious scent, a sign that the peanuts are just right. After roasting, the peanuts are quickly cooled to stop the cooking process and preserve their flavor. Then they head to the blancher, where their thin, papery skins are gently rubbed off, leaving behind smooth, golden nuts. Nothing goes to waste here. Even the discarded skins are collected and repurposed as nutritious animal feed, supporting sustainable agriculture and reducing factory waste. Next, the blanched peanuts are poured into powerful grinders. Here they're crushed and mashed into a thick, rich paste, the very foundation of peanut butter. This stage is where the transformation truly begins. For those who love a little crunch, some of the peanuts are only partially ground. These coarse bits are set aside, ready to add texture and bite to crunchy peanut butter varieties. The rest of the batch is ground again and again until it becomes irresistibly smooth and creamy, perfect for spreading on bread or swirling into recipes. To achieve the perfect taste and texture, salt, sugar, and stabilizers are carefully measured and added. These ingredients help balance flavor, keep the peanut butter fresh, and prevent oil separation. Everything is then mixed and homogenized in giant machines, ensuring every jar has the same smooth, consistent quality, no matter where you buy it. For crunchy peanut butter, those reserved peanut chunks are gently folded back in at the end, giving each spoonful that satisfying crunch. The finished peanut butter is cooled to lock in freshness, then sent down the line to be filled into jars, each one sealed tight to preserve that just-made taste. Throughout the process, quality control experts check every batch, making sure each jar meets the highest standards for taste, texture, and safety. From the art of roasting to the science of grinding, making peanut butter is a blend of time-honored tradition and cutting-edge technology. A process perfected over generations. The result? A delicious, versatile spread that brings families together, whether it's on a sandwich, in a smoothie, or straight from the spoon. From humble nut to household staple, peanut butter's journey is truly magical, delivering comfort and flavor to tables around the world. The final stage is packaging, a high-speed, automated marvel. Clean jars line up filled with peanut butter in seconds. Each jar is sealed with foil, capped, and checked for quality. Labels are applied, complete with brand and batch codes for safety. Robotic arms pack jars into cases, stack them on pallets, and wrap them for shipping. Forklifts move pallets to warehouses or trucks. From there, peanut butter travels across the country to stores. Every jar is traceable, fresh, and ready for your pantry. The journey from field to shelf is fast, efficient, and precise. It's a logistical dance that keeps America stocked. Next time you grab a jar, remember the journey it took. It's more than a spread. It's a feat of modern food engineering. Americans eat about 3 pounds of peanut butter per person each year. It's a staple in over 90% of homes, used in sandwiches, cookies, sauces, and more. Peanut butter has even gone to space with NASA astronauts. No crumbs, lots of protein. A 2-tablespoon serving packs 7 grams of protein and healthy fats. Natural peanut butter made from just peanuts and salt is a genuinely healthy food. The creamy versus crunchy debate? The country is split, with both sides fiercely loyal. East Coast prefers creamy, West Coast leans crunchy, but everyone loves the taste. No matter your choice, it all starts with the same roasted peanuts. Walk down any supermarket aisle and you'll see Jif and Skippy, America's peanut butter giants. Jif is known for its smooth texture and catchy slogan, while Skippy has a loyal following and a fun family vibe. Both brands constantly innovate, offering natural, low-sugar, and flavored options. But they're not alone. Peter Pan and a wave of natural organic brands are gaining ground. Health-conscious shoppers love short ingredient lists, just peanuts and salt. The competition means more choices, powders, squeeze packs, gourmet blends. The peanut butter aisle is a showcase of American tastes, comfort and creativity side by side. Whether you're loyal to a classic or an artisan brand, there's a peanut butter for everyone. The variety is a testament to our love for this simple spread, and the innovation just keeps coming. It all starts in a quiet field with a plant burying its treasure. From there, peanuts are dug, dried, sorted, roasted, and transformed into peanut butter. The process is a blend of hard work, science, and logistics, connecting farm to factory to table. Every jar is the result of countless hands and machines working in harmony. The next time you open a jar, remember the journey, the farmer, the engineer, the truck driver. Peanut butter is more than food. It's a story of American ingenuity. It's a taste of tradition, innovation, and community. So be curious about your food. You never know what stories are hidden inside. That spoonful of peanut butter, it's a national treasure. And it all began underground.